Are you making these common Google business mistakes that could be hurting your online visibility? So in this video, I want to cover the mistakes that I see business owners making when setting up and managing their Google business profile, as well as provide some actionable tips on how to avoid them. So by the end of the video, hopefully you'll know better how to optimize your Google business profile to improve it for local search rankings, drive more website traffic, and attract more customers. Now, setting up your Google business profile is a crucial step to get your business noticed in Google Maps. But did you know that making certain mistakes can actually hurt your rankings and make it harder for customers to find you? Hi, I'm Keith Hearn, Fine Point Design and Marketing, and in this video we're going to cover the top things to avoid when setting up your profile. Whether it's inconsistent information, the wrong categories, or other common pitfalls, I'm going to show you how to sidestep these issues and set up your Google business profile for success. So let's dive in to make sure that your profile is optimized the right way. So the first mistake you want to avoid is providing inaccurate or inconsistent information in your Google business profile. So this may seem like a small issue, but it can have a big impact on your rankings and the customer trust. Now, your business name, address, and phone number, often called the NAV, must be consistent across your profile, the website, and other online listings, including things like Yelp and Facebook. So for example, if your business address is listed as 123 Main Street on your profile, but 123 Main Street with the word street spelled out as opposed to abbreviated on your website, Google might struggle to verify your business, thinking that these are two different addresses. This confusion can actually hurt your rankings. So to avoid this, double check your details everywhere and make sure that you match exactly. Tools like citation checkers can help spot inconsistencies. And remember, clear and accurate information makes it easier for both Google and your customers to find you and trust you. Now, the second mistake is to avoid selecting the wrong business category for your Google business profile. Categories are crucial because they tell Google what your business is all about and help match you with the right search queries. So if you pick a category that's either too broad or irrelevant, you risk losing visibility to your target audience. So for example, if you're a coffee shop and you choose restaurant instead of coffee shop, you might miss out on customers specifically looking for coffee. To avoid this, what we suggest is to research your competitors and choose your primary and secondary categories based on what they are offering. So remember, being specific and accurate with your categories can significantly boost your chances of appearing in a relevant search result like that. The third mistake is to avoid keyword stuffing in your business name in your Google business profile. Now, it might seem tempting to add an extra keyword to your name, like Joe's Coffee Shop, best coffee shop in town. It's actually against Google's guidelines. Not only can it lead to penalties, like your business profile being suspended, but it also comes across as spammy to potential customers. They just want your business name up there. Google wants it to actually reflect your name as it appears in real world, or your LLC, or your incorporated, whatever your actual business name is. So if your business is called Joe's Coffee Shop, then just stick to that. Now, the good news is you can still use keywords strategically in other parts of your profile, like your business description and posts and photo captions. So keep your name clean and professional. It just builds trust and helps avoid unnecessary penalties. The fourth mistake to avoid is neglecting reviews and responding on your Google business profile. Now, reviews are one of the most powerful ranking factors in Google Maps, and it's a key way to build trust with potential customers. So ignoring them, whether they're positive or negative, can hurt your credibility and even your rankings. When customers leave positive reviews, take the time to thank them. Show them that you're a real human responding to these things. It shows that you also value their feedback and helps strengthen some loyalty. So for negative reviews, responding professionally offers solutions. It shows potential customers that you're proactive and you care about resolving the issue. Even worse than ignoring reviews is having no reviews at all. So encourage your customers to leave feedback by asking in person or email or a QR code at your business. And just remember, an active and engaged review strategy can make a huge difference in how Google reviews your business. So there you have it. Those are the top reviews to avoid when setting up your Google business profile. From keeping the information accurate and consistent, choosing the right categories, avoiding keyword stuffing, and engaging with your reviews, these simple fixes can have a big impact on your rankings and customer trust. Now remember, your profile is often the first impression that customers get with your business, so take the time to set it up the right way. Now, if you found these tips helpful, help me by giving me a thumbs up, subscribe for more SEO insights, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any updates in here. If you have trouble with any of these things with your Google business profile, reach out to us and we can help walk you through what you need to get your business profile optimized the right way. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.